Today I will share a set of abdominal massage techniques. First, evenly apply an appropriate amount of massage oil. Press these acupoints in sequence. Use palm heels to press and knead in circles around the navel. Clockwise can relieve constipation. Counterclockwise can relieve diarrhea. Next, alternately push and pull the dimeridian. The two techniques of circular pressing/kneading and pushing/pulling can be done alternately. Next, with a single clenched fist, knead in circles with finger knuckles. After kneading, continue circular soothing. Overlap both hands, press in circles with finger pads. Continue circular soothing with palm heels. Next, press the ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon in sequence. After finishing, remember to continue circular soothing. Overlap both hands, perform rhombus strengthening massage to unblock abdominal stagnation. After finishing, soothe in circles again. Press and knead below the navel with both thumbs. Continue circular soothing. Next, we overlap both palms to expel gas. Rub hands until warm and press the abdomen. Soothe in circles again. Finally, unblock the dimeridian on the sides of the waist. Use the same technique on the other side as well. Quickly learn it for your family.